Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Cam's Tech Talk, and I hope everyone is doing very well and enjoying the life. And there are a lot of festival seasons around the globe. You know, it's going to be a really amazing festival season. So I would say good luck to everyone first of all. And today I'm going to record new series of a different topic, different cloud, and welcome guys. Let's join together. So today's topic I will be Experience Cloud, and we're going to learn about what is Experience Cloud. I've done multiple sessions recently as well with different companies, different community collaboration as a speaker, and I've done some internal sessions with one-to-one sessions where we learned about what community cloud is, what's the difference, why they are calling Experience Cloud. It's basically going to be really amazing. So I'm gonna share my knowledge with you all where we can expand, and please collaborate. Again, send me whatever your thoughts are and we'll take it from there. Okay, so hey, you can see I'm gonna start here with Community Cloud. So let's pick it up. And right guys, so Community Cloud. So what is Community Cloud and what is Experience Cloud? So nowadays name is called Experience Cloud, and what's the difference between community and experience? So guys, no difference. For my word, because I'm in touch with Community Cloud for more than, I would say, 4 years. Yeah, that's the first time I have seen Community Cloud. I've done multiple implementations, rollout, and I've seen clients. I've done even client-side trainings on Community Cloud, how they should use the portals. It's kind of portal basically. People log in, your clients can log in, your internal users can log in. So it's all about collaboration. So guys, before I start, here you go. There is my contact, guys. Never forget KSM1313 live. This is the standard for everywhere, guys. My Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, everywhere I am with this name. So guys, stay in touch. Keep sending me messages. If you guys need to arrange any trainings or any kind of special quick talk to Cam, let me know. I'm happy to do that. So I spend sometimes every weekends with different people, and we can do that. All right. So let's start Experience Cloud. Again, in a simple word, you can see the definition. What's this called? Social platform. It's not far from we use Facebook or any other platforms basically where end users can log in, right? It enables companies to connect with their customers. So I'm going to use a very common word which everybody knows. It's Netflix, because it's actually a big name, big TV, where you watch online streaming programs, right? So you communicate when you face any problem. Obviously, you raise your voice to the support team or customer support team from the Netflix guys. Could you please sort out? I've got payment issues. I've got Netflix is causing some technical problem. Netflix is causing some, you can't see the movies because you are in the different countries, right? So these kind of queries when came in your mind, you simply go to the help. You will find where exactly you raise a question to them and connect with them. So that's basically, I'm talking about end user. We are B2Cs. So end user, I'm on Amazon website. I want to buy a t-shirt. I am actually a customer. So I am a B2C, business to customer. So the reason I use this word, guys, Experience Cloud, it's all about B2C, B2B. So you need to understand a business terms first of all when you're starting this. What is B2C? What is B2B? It's very important. Okay, so B2C, business to customer or consumer, right? B2B is business to business, because you have Amazon and you have suppliers, because they are selling. That's business to business. Amazon is setting up their system basically. I don't know if they're really using Community Cloud. I'm sure some places in some different department they might be using it. I was reading somewhere like Salesforce blogs and stuff basically. They did mention some company's name, so go for it. Go to Salesforce blogs basically. You will find a lot of things about who's utilizing and what are the use cases, what companies are involved into the community. There are many, because there are many ways to utilize this Community Cloud. It's not only restricted to customer. it can go into employees, right? I can utilize, if I have a big business, I can tell my clients to use this, right? We'll cover it, we'll cover all of the information, right? So I like to read this. The next generation portal combines the real collaboration of chatter with the ability to share any file, data or record anywhere and on any mobile device. So guys, this is the beauty of this line. I love it, right? So what exactly this means? It's collaborating in a real time. If I post something, everyone will see, guys, what I sent. So think about a salesperson who just won a big lead, $1 million. Guys, I won it, right? What he wants to do, he wants to share with the colleagues, wants to share with the business. Guys, we won this customer. What he will share it. Who will get the notification? I'm a CEO. I got notification on my phone basically straight away because I'm working. Maybe my partners who collaborating via community with me, my partners can see because my partner means B2B business, right? So they might be using the similar thing and they can see, guys, yes, well done. Basically, I'm sharing this and collaborating with my partners as well because they are the main. They are also on behalf of me. They are selling things, right? So they connected as a channel partner with me, and they have more authorized access basically, right, to see these things. So guys, this is a simple term is called collaboration. So now how we want to collaborate, it's basically different community levels we have here. I would use the word called licensing. So Salesforce has a licensing structure, which I will go through in a next session, not here. Here we are only talking about what community is, how many different things we can achieve with the community cloud. So for example, if you look at this one, guys, how can my employees take benefit from Experience Cloud? How? What is the way? Because people do know how to configure. Sometimes people don't know how to utilize, where to utilize these things. It's called use case. Not every company come out and talk to you about, yes, I'm using community this way, I'm using community. You have to join Dreamforce, you have to join another collaboration, or I'm helping the same way. Yes, I know configuration. Yes, I talk to the business, but I would like to share the use case as well, where people actually use. So look at this one now. Employee community builds an internal social intranet across enterprise. You can use for your social, which I just gave an example. A salesperson, he won it, but he shared it. Partners can see, internal employees can see, VP can see, external, my B2B business, whoever the senior management or their colleagues, they can see, because there is a secure channel. Because I'm a channel partner or I'm a B2B partner, I have certain limit of accounts which clients I'm dealing with, and I can share that information. It's actually a win-win, right? So again, simple way. Employee community builds an internal. So this is actually more about internal, nothing to show external. But because community, you can have multiple communities. This is the beauty of this thing. One community I build for external, one community I build for internal, just to keep myself internal. Because there is a trick, licensing. I told you, obviously we're gonna cover it in detail. But keep in mind, when I say internal, external, there's a tweak, there's a trick, basically how you guys do it, but we'll cover it. Okay, so now what I do as an internal staff, again, everybody needs IT support in the business, everybody needs some kind of HR support in internal business, everybody needs knowledge base, everybody needs files collaboration. So look at this. So it includes chatter, sites, myCase, answer. So this is high level, guys. So when you post something, you want to create something, it's internally with the business, because you are an enterprise, you are a global. You don't know who's sitting at the minute in America, because you are based in maybe in Paris, right? You don't know who's there. So you need to communicate with the team. What's the best way? You post something where the team can come, they can answer from anywhere, right? So this is I would call team collaboration from different locations. So that's where people use the community cloud. Okay, second one, Employees find, share and collaborate on content in real time and connect with others in a social internet beyond boundaries of their department. Again, I just mentioned the same thing, how they can do these things frequently, right? It's so much easier. So guys, so this is a very a quick tip that communities, Experience Cloud communities, it's not only for external B2C or B2B, it's actually you can use internally as well, right? And it's already expanding to your mobiles. Guys, you don't need extra app. Just Salesforce one app, download on your phone, make sure you configured everything properly. It's just ready for you. It's simple, okay? Now, business use case, right? Again, we were talking about use case a lot, basically, like, what are the business use case, right? You can build community to gain deeper relationship with customers. So this is, I'm talking about purely with the customer enablement, right? So why do we enable for the customer? Because I want to give the luxury to the customer that you are using my product, right? I sold my product to you, and I want to look after my customer who got my product, and I want to give them options. So you got Dyson Hoover, I sold it, and I want to look after my customer, so if there is any problem, I want them to come to me directly so I can resolve their problem. So companies create the support operations via that. So it's again collaboration. So when I comment something on my case, customer can see in a real time what's being communicated. So guys, this is very very important nowadays. If you don't look after customer will leave you, right? So it's again, use case, how frequently I gave you example. It's a Dyson, it's a Hoover company. They globally known, right? Very known company. They sell fans and different things, basically. Guys, you use it, right? But how to collaborate, this is an example, okay? Right, next one. External facing community cloud products include Community Plus. So guys, so use case with Experience Cloud, you can have multiple different clouds externally, like Plus. So it's basically, again, I said five different license types, which I will cover in the next slide. But in simple, it's a limit, B2C and B2B, but it goes to customer, internal, B2B, which means business to business. One more word, suppliers. Okay, this is exactly I'm going to cover now in this. So Experience Cloud in overall. Experience Cloud is overall number one, customer collaboration, right? So that's a customer collaboration. What's next? Knowledge base, right? You can share a knowledge, which means KB articles. You write something, it's step by step how to resolve this problem. You guys could, I know many people create beautiful blogs. I've seen the internet is full of, but this is for internal as well, right? It's my product base. How to troubleshoot my product, how to troubleshoot my laptop, right? This is what knowledge base is, right? Supplier portal. So again, I'm a supplier. You can use this thing many ways, right? It can be airport service, it can be airport concierge service, it can be chauffeur service, it can be reseller service, it can be a retailer, right? I can become a supplier of anything, and I have a portal. I can manage my account by myself, guys. So this is the beauty about the use case, guys. I can have a supplier portal via the community. I can manage everything, right? It's really easy. Again, next one is HR community, right? Same thing. HR community is collaborate with your employees, basically. How even I can, if I have a new employee is joining, I can collaborate with them. They don't even have to join the company. I can start collaborating 15 days prior or month prior as soon as employee signing a contract. It happens, and I can see it's happening with many employees. People starting collaborating via some HR communities. So we already know where we need to get to, because it's a virtual world, guys. I'm getting all the notifications on my phone all the time. I'm sure you all as well. So that's the beauty of HR community, where HR team can collaborate easily. Okay. Employees collaboration. Again, it's chatter, social, internal. So this is the final tip basically, guys, how many different places I can use it, right? Then partner portal. So partner portal can utilize same thing again. So guys, I just shared 1 2 3 4 5 6 items with you. I can create these 6 different communities into the same Salesforce org without any problem, giving them different access, different roles, different permissions, different sharing models. So it depends on my architect model how I want to use it. Guys, this is the way you utilize this stuff. Guys, I hope you like it, guys. This is actually a complete container where you get all these features enabled. It's not really big. Any admin, senior admin can work with your business to resolve this. But definitely, if somebody with good functional skills or business analyst skill can help you to roll out these things with the business, it's, you know, always involve these kind of people, because they also help the features, what feature do what. Then obviously admins, senior admins and architects, they can plan what kind of sharing model we need to cover this. Okay, so we're gonna see a little bit practical in this. I'm not going into detail in this particular slide, but as I mentioned, I will have multiple sessions coming. Next session will be, I will cover as a certifications for the beginners or who are already in this era basically working on it. I will tell them what is the certification parts and prereqs on it. Okay, so here is, guys, my contact again. Please feel free, don't hesitate, get in touch with Cam. We'll cover it, a lot of things. Again, if you guys want any trainings on Salesforce admin or developer, please stay in touch. If you need special any teachers, like I do have good contacts, I can pass on to you guys in a good hand where you can cover your trainings, guys. Cheers everyone, and let's go to the practical. Right, so let's see. Here is our Salesforce. So guys, what I'm going to show you, it's already built platform, right? I have already created some communities. So all you're going to see in a very high level interface how communities looks like is, and I'm gonna show as a admin. I'm not going to log in because if I'm going to log in creating user, that will be a completely another session. It takes time, and that will be a longer session as well. When I plan, we'll cover it all. Okay, so I'm logged in and I'm in the setup. So I'm simply typing here community, right? What I noticed as soon as as soon as I type community, I get this now. It used to be community, but now I get all sites here. That's actually a little bit different. Even when I see it, I got shocked. So what the hell? What's happened, man? Salesforce changed everything. So obviously you have seen different releases 2021, and now we're looking forward to 2022 next year. So guys, yes, Salesforce already updated. So you got all sites, pages, settings, template and themes. So this is the place. Now it's called digital experience. It's not anymore a community, right? Used to be community settings. So no, not anymore. I have seen, because last 4 years I'm working on it. It's shocking for me as well, because oh god, I've seen it now. But it's really good. I like it. So now I have created, look, it's all test, guys. There's no anybody's data. It's just my use cases. I have differently created it, and I'm gonna show you all 4 a different way. So let's have a look. So first link, and so this link I can see 2 tabs. One is cases and one is chatter. Okay, I limited it, right? So look, it's kind of a same Salesforce, like, and I can see the whole chatter different. What I follow to me, people, it's basic. It's a very basic setting. People do it very differently as well, right? And you can work on it. It's up to my admin, business and architect level, but you can show multiple tabs. Look, I can see the whole case. If I comment here, obviously this will go to the backend support guys. Oh, somebody commented it. Look, I can see the whole interface. It's in classic at the minute. Lightning, I will show you guys as well. You can see these things better in the Lightning side. I haven't created it, but obviously this is where I'm planning further planning sessions on how it looks in the Lightning templates. We will cover the actual user experience. So Experience Cloud is all about user experience. right? Because how users should see your product, your interface, how you collaborate, right? So this is the sweet thing about. Okay, next one. So let's open the next one now. So this is, again, I can see reservations. I can see I put the logo just for fun. I just copied from Google. Nothing. It's not for Kia. It's just the name. Okay. Again, I can see reports. So as I mentioned, we have multiple interfaces, licenses. You got external apps. Sorry. Yeah, external apps, community plus, partner portal, or partner community, and the last one is channel account. I will cover it properly. That will be my third session, because next session I'm covering as a certification. Then I will show you guys the difference between how it works. Some people can see reports, some people can't see reports. So why, how, I will show you. Okay, next one. So that's one, and no longer exists, so don't worry about it. Let's look at the next one. Exams no longer exist. I'm sure the updates happen and I can't see it. Right, but again, it's simple, guys. I can allow multiple objects from here. Here I can see 4 different objects, but you have ability to access or provide restriction what exactly I want to see. All I'm showing is what is Community Cloud, how to access, and obviously they have themes, right? You can create. You have templates you can create, but in Lightning it looks so different. When you see this in action, so you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, and it's right now the interface is Lightning, but I haven't upgraded this particular org yet. But you will see the difference as well, because when I switch from Classic to Lightning, you will see it looks much better. It's very different. Okay. So I hope you like it. And again, coming back, so guys, as always, stay in touch with Cam, and do comment, guide me if you need anything different on this. Let me know, and collaborate so we can improve, and I can get more and more series for you on this topic or any other topic. I'm also planning field service Lightning with this, and that's another thing which we will work together. Again, thank you so much for watching this, and stay in touch. Have a good day. See you guys. Bye.